After this tip, you never thread the needle like you used to. That's right, everyone. Now I'm going to show you the secret of the best seamstresses so that you can thread the needle without any difficulty. So here's the thing. As time goes by, some people start to have difficulties in losing their vision, and then they keep failing to thread the needle. Some people even put the needle in the palm of their hand and rub it like so. But fortunately, you don't have to do any of this, folks. Now, I'm going to teach you a pretty simple trick so that you can thread the needle without any difficulty. So let's go first. This is what you need, the broom. No, actually, we're just going to need that. We're only going to need a broom bristle. So go ahead and pick a good one. All right, this will do. Then take a pair of scissors and cut it off. We're going to need just one of them. Very well, folks. Now, let's take the piece of bristle and let's fold it in half like this. Now, press it right here in the middle so that it stays like this. Now, let's get our needle. And since the bristle is way forward in the thread, we'll be able to pass it through the needle. Much easier, so because the bristle is harder, it is going to be easier. You see the bristle opening right here. Now, just go ahead and thread it. Alright, now check to sell for the bristle just like I'm doing here. Through this opening, then just opening here, then just simply pull the bristle and now you'll be able to thread the needle much more easily. And that's very cool, isn't it? So that's it, folks. Pretty simple and quick tip that I'm sure can help many people. Let me show you one more time. So you use the same piece of bristle. You won't have to cut another one every time. So take the bristle, open it up a little bit like so, and then just thread the gap in the bristle. Then as soon as you thread it, just pull the bristle. And the line comes with it. Much easier that way, right? So that's it. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to thread the needle. Recently, I also bought another tip with the paper. Some of you guys have already seen it. But for me, this is the easiest. It's my personal favourite. So that's it, folks. If you have a grandmother or even your mother who has trouble threading the needle, show them this trick. I'm pretty sure this trick is going to help a lot of people out there.